Hello to everyone. Today we will start with class 11th maths chapter number 10 straight line. Here we will discuss here in introduction only, and in the next videos we will discuss here each exercise in each video. So first here in introduction. Okay. Now first you see that here are x-axis and y-axis. Here is a y-axis, and here is a point P having coordinates x1, y1, x1, y1, and here is a point Q having coordinate x2 and y2. Now find the distance between them. So here distance formula is distance between PQ is equals to root x1 x2 minus x1 plus here is square y2 minus y1 square. So this is the distance formula between 2 points. Next is second, if a line cut in the ratio m/n, and here a point is x1 y1, here is x2 y2, then find these coordinates. Need to find this coordinate, which coordinate to cut the ratio m/n. So here formula of x is equals to m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n, and y is equals to m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. This is for finding the points of this. Now next here, third is in particular if m is equals to n. If you can see that here, this is a line, and in which you can say that here m ratio m, here m is equals to n, and this point is x1 y1 and this point is x2 y2. If these are equal, so that means these points cut between them. Cut the line from between. This is 1:1. So formula is equals to finding the x and y is x is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, and y is equals to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now next, if we will have finding the area of triangle whose given vertices, first we will draw here a triangle. And here a given vertices, let x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. Now if we have given the point vertices of triangle, so area of triangle is equals to half of mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 here y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2, and mod close. So this is the formula for finding the value of area of triangle. Now next topic is slope of line. Slope of a line. Here draw a axis. Here is a y axis and this one is a x axis. Slope of a line here, draw a line. Suppose this line is L and having an angle theta. Here is line drawn parallel to y-axis. And same angle drawn on this. So this is called the slope of angle. Let this point is x1, y1 and here point is Q, x2, y2, this is M, this is R. Next here we will write slope of line of L is equals to M. Represent slope can be represent the number or letter is M is equals to tan theta. Now next here tan theta is equals to MQ upon MP. Here MQ and MP. So we will write here y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So given slope is equals to y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. Now this is a case 1 if slope is an acute angle. Now in the case 2, if slope having obtuse angle, so we will write here and we will draw y-axis and x-axis again. Here is a y-axis and this one is a x-axis. Now draw a line having an angle, obtuse angle. So here is theta and here is a line of slope. Here is angle and this one is 180 degree minus theta because this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is 180 degree minus theta because a linear pair. So this angle is also equal to 180 degree minus theta. Let this point is x1, y1 and other point is Q, here x2, y2 and this line is L and this point is M. Next, when theta is obtuse, M is equals to tan theta. This is the slope of line is equals to here tan is 180 minus theta. Here is theta here and so we will write here minus of tan theta because if we draw a coordinates here, the coordinate and 180 is here is 180 minus theta is present in second coordinate and in second coordinate value of tan theta will be negative. So here is negative. So we can write here minus of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it can be written as, if minus multiplied with inner, so we will write here y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. This is the slope of tangent if theta is obtuse. Now next is if line are two lines are parallel, then what will be the slope? If two lines are parallel, so then slope of line is same. Here you can see that here this is line, that this line is L1 and this line is L2, and having L1 line is M1, slope of line M1 L1 is M1 and slope of line L2 is M2. So if lines are parallel, then slopes are equal, so it will written as M1 is equals to M2. So here let this line make an angle alpha and this line make an angle beta. So here tan alpha is equals to tan beta. Now you can write here alpha is equals to beta. Another condition, if two lines are perpendicular, we will write here if two lines are perpendicular, so here you can see that here is the x-axis again and these lines are perpendicular. So let this line is L1 and this line is L2 having M1 slope, and this one is M2 slope. So here you can write here beta is equals to alpha plus 90 degree. It's this line having a angle alpha, this line having an alpha plus 90 degrees equals to beta. So we can write here tan beta is equals to tan alpha plus 90 degree. So it can be written as minus of cot 90 alpha, minus of cot alpha is equals to minus of 1 upon tan alpha. So here slope is M2 is equals to minus of 1 upon M1. So we can write here M1 into M2 is equals to minus 1. So we can say that if L1 perpendicular to L2, if two lines are perpendicular, then product of slope is minus 1. Next, how to find angle between two lines? Angle between two lines, here formula is tan theta is equals to slope of line 2 minus slope of line 1 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. And next point is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. So here draw a line. This is the x-axis and y-axis. Now draw a slope. This is a slope. Let slope is m and line is L. Here is coordinate 0, C. C is intercept point. So if in case 1, the distance C is called the y-intercept. Here is the y-axis. Y-intercept of the line L therefore by point of slope from the equation of L is y minus c is equals to m x minus 0. Here actual line is, if given point x1 y1, so we write here equation of line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So here is x1 and y1. So x1 is 0 and y1 is c. So put here. So this is the slope. Now further simplify, we will get here y minus c is equals to mx, and here y is equals to mx plus c. This is the equation of line. Next, in the second case second, suppose line L with slope of m make intercept on x-axis, that is c0. So we will write here a point y minus, here let D point intercept, y minus y1, y1 is 0 is equals to m x minus D. So equation is y is equals to m into x minus 2 for x intercept on x-axis. Next, we will discuss here distance between point and a line. Suppose here this is a line and having a point this, and here a shortest distance is when a point perpendicular on this line, that this point is x1, y1, and here general equation we will write here, general equation of line is ax plus by plus c. So distance is this, we will find here distance. So your distance formula is equals to a into x1 plus b into y1 plus c is intercept upon root a square plus b square. In the second condition, if two lines are parallel, then find the distance between them. Here two lines, and here finding a distance is this, perpendicular each other. Then distance is equals to, let this one is L1 line and this is L2 line, having intercept is C1, it having intercept is C2. So we will write here, if two lines are parallel, then its slopes are same. We were here discussed earlier. This one here, two lines are parallel, then slopes are equal. So we will write here in both lines having slope is m. So distance is equals to ax1 plus by1. Sorry, this is the distance for, here we will write the distance is c1 intercept of line 1 minus intercept of line 2 upon 1 plus m square in mode. So this is the distance between two parallel lines. So this is the introduction of chapter 10 of straight line. In the next video we will discuss exercise 10.1. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and understood this video. Please subscribe my channel and share and like also. Thank you. Bye bye.